Here we are in Huacachina, day 2, on our way to explore this desert oasis. First things first, finding a place to eat, which brings us here, the Wild Olive, where we enjoyed a delicious pizza and listened to music from the locals. After lunch, we walked around town, killing some time before our sandboarding tour in the sand dunes. As our amazing sandboarding tour came to an end, we decided to climb up one last sand dune and watch the sunset. Tomorrow we'll leave for Arequipa. What's up, everyone? We're the last day in Huacachina. Yes. And Matt's gonna tell us his 4th joke of the trip.
Joke number 4. So there's a plane flying over the Peruvian desert, and there are 4 people on board: a genius, a medical doctor, a tourist, and an old priest. All of a sudden, there's mechanical failure and the plane is going down, but there are only 3 parachutes on the plane. The genius says, "The world needs my ingenuity," grabs a parachute, jumps out of the plane. The medical doctor says, "The world needs my gifts to help them with medicine and stuff," grabs a parachute, jumps out of the plane. The old priest turns to the tourist and says, "I've lived a long and happy life, you take the parachute." And the tourist turns to the old priest and says, "Don't worry, there are enough parachutes on the plane for us." The genius grabbed my backpack.
Hey, good job. Never
It
heard
wasn't
that
a
one.
parachute.